Hi, this is Mitchy the Kid, Mr. Train Man, that is. My box finally showed up 4 days late, but, you know, that's how Goodwill runs. Well, at least the one in Oxnard, along with FedEx, who can't follow directions when you say you live upstairs and you can't lift stuff because you have a hernia, but they deliver it to the wrong spot anyways. But it's here, so let's unbox it. Oh, it doesn't have my address on it. Okay. So here's the box. Let's see. Oh, look at that. There's where I used to work. Orchard Supply. Oh, what do we have? The Bachmann Big Haulers. Thanks for the box to open so you can see it here. Well, there. The big haulers. I don't know where the top is. Should have a top on it. What did they do? Cut it off? Folded it backwards? That's dumb. Anyways, it's the Golden Spike train. And this engine's going to just be parts for me because it doesn't work. As you can see, the wheels are really messed up. I'll just sell the engine maybe. Oh, it's got a bell on it too. That's good. But I've got a box car. Looks like it's missing its door. That figures. So this train's pretty messed up. Oh, there's the door over there. I don't know why it's over there. Flew off and it's up against the caboose. And then it's got a Union Pacific coal car. Hopefully it's got the wheels on there. So, there's the Golden Spike. What did we have here sticking out? A hair or something. There we go. The Golden Spike Railroad. And why do I want a broken train? Because it comes with brass track. My last train that I bought didn't have any track. They didn't, well, I guess it did say it. I didn't see it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought it. But now I have 2 trains with brass track. And we'll see where it goes from there. I also have chrome track, but I don't think brass and chrome will work together. So that's my unboxing video. I won't take it out anymore from there. I gotta figure out how to get it out of this box. Thanks for watching.